I heard JJC had a really great stenography program, and that's what I kind of wanted to go into. So I just kind of had an idea that I was going to go to JJC. And then I knew of Jeff Bailey prior to joining the JJC team because he would coach Joliet West. So I would see him at tournaments here and there. And when I heard he was starting a team at JJC, I'm like, that's kind of perfect. I kind of had to do it. And I knew some people who were doing the team as well. So I was like, it would be good, and why not? It kind of really took me by surprise last year, just because I had no idea what I was getting into, and when I had found out that I had won, I didn't know until the next morning because the scores were down, and I had found out from one of my teammates' his parents. And they came up to me in the lobby and they're like, "You won?" And I was like, "What?" Like, there's no way that I could do something like that. So yeah, last year it definitely took me by surprise. But I did gain some confidence, and I knew that if I could do that, I knew I was decent. I could keep my head up and keep going and possibly even do it again. Yeah, this year it was definitely different from last year. Like I said, last year was more of a surprise, whereas this year I knew kind of what I needed to do, and I was keeping up, with the scores, and I had in mind, how I did. It was more of a battle this year, and it did come to the last game, and it was so neck and neck that I had some people telling me I did do it, and some people telling me I didn't do it. So it was definitely more of a battle this year, and more of a sigh of relief when I did ultimately regain the title. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I didn't think that I could meet a bunch of new people and become so close with them in such a short amount of time. So I met some of my best friends, and we still talk to each other. We were just in the cafeteria together, cracking jokes. So I've really enjoyed it. It's one of the best decisions I've made by far, and just the school environment itself is very supportive. So I've truly had a blast here.